Okay, so I'm gonna attempt to put the dash in just to see what I want to do. I think I've made a choice, and for how far gone this car is, I mean, 8.8, and the get the rear end's fine. To get the Cobra motor, a little pricey. I think I'm gonna put an LS in this Cobra. So I'm gonna try to get this dash in. So all this stuff is taking up a lot of room in the shop. I think I've made my mind up. I'm pretty sure I am not gonna restore the Cobra. It needs an entire interior swap. Even if I cleaned up the interior that I have, basically it's the wrong color for me, and it's shot. Whoever had this car did not take care of it very well. This car has been through a lot. It seems like it's had a paint job. The interior is trashed. They've tried to install things and cut into the harness and all kinds of messed up things. I put the dash in and a door panel. I'm going to put the other door panels in. I'm probably going to use the dash and the door panels and some of the panels just to make it look better. But not doing Mustang seats or anything like that. So it's just interior shot. The paint, it's okay. This is the biggest damage out of the whole car, is that piece right there. The top's in really good shape, but I think I'm gonna put the carpet in it while I'm working on it. That way I'm not on the hard metal. But if pretty sure it goes race car and no carpet. I will probably just wire in my own switch, and I'll probably make that work and keep that. I'll keep some weight over the rear tires, so really not that big of a deal. I'll use the dash. I'll fabricate a piece right here. I think for the engine, I already put in my old headlights. They're a little foggy and scratched up from being stored, but I think I can restore those. I'm not really too worried about it. The engine bay is a perfect clean start. There's a lot of air conditioner parts in that dash. If I do not put a modular motor in this, they're probably coming out. And you see someone did something funky there. I think I'm gonna LS swap it. It's not in great condition. It would be easier to spend $5,000 to $10,000 and just buy a new one than try to restore this. It'd be way too much to restore this. I bought it for a race car. I think that's the route we're gonna go. It's just too far gone. It would cost way too much. It'd be cheaper to buy a whole car than to put this back together. Whoa. We're getting ready to get a huge rainstorm, as you can see. It's pretty cloudy. I forgot what they named this storm, but I'm gonna put some more body panels in here. I'll show you what it looks like, and we'll talk about it some more here in a minute. All right, so there's a few parts that I have no idea where they go. Like this part, that part, that's just a speaker that goes in the trunk. That's the fuel thing. That's another speaker. That, not quite sure. Probably something to do with the convertible top. These are definitely trunk liners. That I don't have a center console. The wheel I'm not gonna put in today, or any of the trunk or liner, steering, brake booster, none of that. Windows I'll probably put in next because I need to seal it up. And pretty cool that it did come with a boost gauge and a what is that, boost and water temperature gauge little thing. And then this is what Mach 1s and Cobras come with. Came with that. I didn't put those back in the door panels. Let's go ahead and take a look at all the parts that I put in the car. I probably will keep these interior pieces even when I use it for a race car because it just looks better. So take a look. Okay, so it definitely starting to kind of come along looks wise. The dash is, I gotta find the right bolts. I don't really have the right bolts. I do have the cover piece up here though, so I need a center console because I do want to use all these interior pieces even though it's a race car because they don't weigh much, they don't look good, but they definitely look better than just an open thing. And it will look pretty good once I get a cage in here. But that's the gist of what the interior is going to look like. not going to use this carpet. I just don't want to crawl around on my knees in here on hard metal. It's a little softer. But I will probably use these door panels. I might wrap them in black vinyl or something. I might wrap the dash. I might gut the dash. Depends on whether or not we go with a modular motor or a push rod. I was thinking about putting a push rod Ford motor in here, but probably better to go LS and then get like a Terminator. Probably my cheapest best bet. I'm not sure yet what I'm going to do for a drivetrain, but this is the start. We got things going. I'm going to go ahead and put the tarp on this thing because it is about to storm. I'm going to call it a day and start looking for drivetrains. I've been all weekend searching for drivetrains. It's around Christmas, so this is not a priority. My house, family, kids are priority around Christmas. Hopefully in the spring we can get the drivetrain. Like I said, I'm going to try to have this as a roller, and by December, hopefully we got, all I need is some spindles and either an IRS or an 8.8. I think I'm going 8.8 since we're making it a race car now. It's race car too much to put back as a Cobra. I still am looking for a 4-valve modular motor for a decent price. I do want the C heads because I think I want a supercharge. I'm not sure. It's all expensive. But yeah, so this is my 2001 Mustang Cobra project. It's going to be a lot of work. And I'm going to go ahead and tarp this thing up and get back inside. This has been Dustin's Customs. I'm Dustin. I'll see you later. Bye.